Wow, stunning. We've certainly got the red carpet treatment today. Have a look at that, absolutely beautiful.
So say good night to the bad guy.
See you. How are you, brother? Welcome.
How are you?
All good.
Great to see you.
Island masala.
The guys at Ajmal have prepared a huge meal, huge banquet for us. In fact, there is actually a whole lamb inside of this dish. So we're really hungry and we're looking forward to eating this. It should be really delicious.
We've got a couple of main points of common with the Ajmal family. One is our passion for business, but secondly is also our love for food. So judging by the size of these pans, I don't think we should have eaten for the past week since we've been in Dubai. But it looks like we're going to have a nice meal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam. You remember?
How are you, brother?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, alhamdulillah. How are you?
अब हमारा छोटा है हसन
अच्छा
और ये डॉक्टर साहब हैं उमेर
अच्छा माशाल्लाह.
We have just had an amazing tour of the Ajmal factory. The sun is shining brightly into my eyes and we're all smelling amazing after sampling. So many masterpieces, Ajmal masterpieces inside the factory. Now we're travelling off to see Ajmal's flagship store. So it's one of the new additions.
It's actually the largest Ajmal showroom in the whole of the world.
Over here I've got a hot off the press or hot off the production line even perfume amberwood, which you saw being made earlier on. So we're going to do an unboxing of amberwood and we're going to show you some of the other collection.
So these are all fragrances that have a very strong woody base, but then they are blended with different ingredients.
So guys, this whole collection is available at DXB Perfume along with other jewels from Ajmal's collection. We look forward to seeing you at any of our sales locations or on our website. And this is Ajmal's masterpiece of the collection. It's been awesome seeing our brother Abdullah after almost a year and a half. We always have a great time. Unfortunately, such a short time together. But we look forward to seeing him next time. And we're very thankful for all of the kindness from Abdullah and the Ajmal family as well.
always a pleasure.